Raise your hand if you've ever had one of these cake pops from Starbucks. Well, according to my husband, and I quote, I'm about to save you millions of dollars. It's day 2 of my Valentine Love Bites series, and today we're making copycat Starbucks pink cake pops. You only need a few ingredients. First up is a vanilla cake mix with the ingredients on the back. And while I'm mixing those together, did you know that each and every one of those cake pops from Starbucks costs $3.25? Well, my husband definitely didn't when he stopped to grab me some for research purposes on his way home from work, and he asked the barista how many you get for the $3.25. Okay, back to our cake pops. Once the cake is hot, you're going to just dump it into your stand mixer. Do a better job than I did though, okay? The trick here is to dump it in when it is piping hot. You can see the steam. The steam will bind the cake together so you don't need frosting. But I am adding some powdered sugar and a little vanilla, which my recording skills really were bad just then, to make the cake mix a little sweeter, just like Starbucks. Then you're just going to portion them out, roll into balls, melt down some pink color melts, and then we're going to get to dipping. And while I dip, let's finish our story. So essentially, my husband brought me home 2 cake pops and he spent over $7 on them. I did the math. With this recipe, each cake pop costs 35 cents. 35 cents! And just to toot my own horn a little bit, these taste way better. So there you go. Make some, toss them in the freezer for a rainy day, save yourself millions. Search the keyword Starbucks on my site to find the recipe. Happy Love Day, cookie lovers!